In this video, we will show you how to add background color on Microsoft Paint. When you are using Microsoft Paint, maybe you are curious how to add the background color because it's very tricky. Just open your Microsoft Paint here. For example, you open your Microsoft Paint, and to add the background color, you cannot doing like this. Okay? You can see the background won't change here because the first you need to select this layer, okay, and select all. After you select all layer, you can see it's all is have a border like this, and then you need to click this, select fill, and after that you can change which color you want to add into here. For example, you want to add the red, you can just click and then select here. Also, when you want to add another, you can see the background color is changed. Okay, and that's how you can add background color on Microsoft Paint. And for the note, make sure you add the background color is the first step before you creating an image, because maybe you are difficult to change your background color after that. And that's the tutorial how to add background color on Microsoft Paint. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.